9th class. So dear students, today in chapter 3rd I am going to start a topic, test for divisibility of numbers. So there are some conditions given to check the divisibility of numbers. Let's see some conditions. First, divisibility by 10. If we have check a number is divisible by 10, condition will be if a number has 0 in the ones place then it is divisible by 10. अगर हमें चेक करना है कि नंबर 10 से डिविजिबल है तो वंस प्लेस पे क्या होना चाहिए, 0. सपोज वी हैव अ नंबर 290. हेयर 0 is at the ones place. It means this number will be divisible by 10. Next, divisibility by 5. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. Here, a number is divisible by 5 when 0 or 5 in its ones place. अगर कोई नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल है तो उसके वंस प्लेस पे क्या होना चाहिए, 0 एंड 0 और 5, या तो 0 होगा या 5 होगा. सपोज इफ वी हैव अ नंबर 120 and let's another number 125. In this number 0 at the ones place and here 5 at the ones place. So both these numbers will be divisible by 5. Then divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. अगर हमें चेक करना है कि नंबर डिविजिबल है 2 से, then condition will be 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 should be at the ones place. ones place पे क्या होना चाहिए, 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 value. Then divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3 then the number is divisible by 3. Here we have given a number 2, 3, 4. First we add the digits of this number, 2 plus 3 plus 4. We get 9. So we know that 9 is a multiple of 3. It means this number will be divisible by 3. Understood? Next, divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6 also. If we have to check a number is divisible by 6, so first we will check it should be divisible by 2 and then it should be divisible by 3. Then the number will be divisible by 6 also. अगर वो नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल है तो वो 6 से भी डिविजिबल होगा. Then divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Suppose if we have given a number 117. First we find the sum of the digits. Sum of the digit means 1 plus 1 plus 7, which is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9, then this number 117 is also divisible by 9. Next, divisibility by 11. The difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right side and the sum of the digits at even places from the right of the number. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. For example, we are taking a number 10824. So here we have to check we have to check the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places. So these digits are at the odd places. These digits are at the odd places and these digits are at the even places. So first we find the sum of digits at odd places. 1 plus 8 plus 4, which is equal to 13. Now we will find the sum of the digits at the even places. So 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. Now in condition we have given the difference between these. So 13 minus 2 is 11. Here we have given the number, the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11. So here difference is 11. It means this number is divisible by 11. Understood? Now let's start exercise 3.3. Here in second question we have to given using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. In this question we have to tell which number is divisible by 4 and which is divisible by 8. So first number is given 572. First we will check divisibility by 4. So we know that how we will check the divisibility, how we will check a number is divisible by 4. Condition will be the number formed by the last two digits of the given number is 72. Here we have given a number 572 and last two digits are 7 2. So first we divide 7 2 by 4. If we have to find remainder is 0, then this number will be divisible by 4. So when we divide this number by 4, remainder will be 0. Hence 572 is divisible by 4. Then divisibility by 8. So condition is the number formed by the last three digits of the given number is 572. In this number we have given last three digits 572. So we will divide 572 by 8. Here remainder is 4. It means this number is not divisible by 8. If we get remainder 0, then the number will be divisible by 8, and if remainder is not 0, it means it is not divisible by 8. Same as we will do the remaining parts of this question. Now see third questions. Using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Here first part is given 297144. So let's see the solution. We know that a number is divisible by 6 if it is also divisible by both 2 and 3. अगर किसी नंबर को 6 से डिविजिबल बताना है तो उसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले उसको 2 से डिविजिबल शो करना पड़ेगा एंड देन 3 से. सो गिवन नंबर इज 297144. So we know that when we check the divisibility by 2, number should be 0. In that number at one's place there should be digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So in this number we have 4 at the ones place. So this is even number. It means this number is divisible by 2. Now we will check it is also divisible by 3. So we will do sum of all the digits of these numbers. 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 27. So this number is divisible by 3. Then the given number is also divisible by 6. Understood? दोनों ये नंबर जो है 2 और 3 दोनों से ही डिविजिबल है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 6. सेम एज वी विल डू नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Here given number is 1 to 58. So first we will check it is divisible by 2 or not. So here in this number we have 8 at the ones place, which is even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now we will check the sum of all the digits is equal to 16. So 16 is not divisible by 3. That means this number will be not divisible by 3. So here this number is divisible by 3 but is not divisible by, sorry, this number is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 3. Therefore this number is not divisible by 6. तो ये नंबर 6 से divisible नहीं होगा. Same as we will do the remaining parts. Now in fourth question, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Here first part is given 5 double 5 double 4 5. Let's see the solution. We know that if we have to check the divisibility by 11, so condition will be we will find the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd places and the sum of the digits at the even places of the number is either 0 or divisible by 11. दोनों का difference जो है odd places values का and even places values का क्या होगा, या तो 0 होगा या 11 होगा. So let's see the solution. First, given number is 5 4 4 5. So we know that this digit and this digit is at the odd places. This 5 and this 4 is at the odd places. So first we will add these two digits. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And now we will find the sum of the digits which are at the ones place. So this digit and this digit is equal to also 9. Now their difference is 9 minus 9 is 0. So this satisfies the condition. The given number is divisible by 11. या तो हमारे पास डिफरेंस 0 होना चाहिए या वो नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. So here difference is 0, so it means this number is divisible by 11. Now let's see one more question. Here given number is 10824. So first we will find the sum of the digits at odd places. So here 4, 8 and 1 are at the odd places. So first we will add them. 1 plus 8 plus 4. 1 plus 8 plus 4, which is equal to 13. Now we will find the sum of the digits at the even places. So here 0 and 2 are at the even places. So add them. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now their difference 13 minus 2 is 11, which is divisible by 11. 11 जो 11 से divisible है. So the number is divisible by 11. Understood? तो ये नंबर भी 11 से क्या होगा, डिविजिबल होगा.